Hi, we're Mike and Virginia Christie, and we are building the Monroe single story 2.
The best part of our experience with Shaw Homes so far has been certainly that we have so many options to choose from, and all the people that we've worked with have been fantastic, very accommodating and trying to meet our needs and desires, and definitely the design studio. We just love coming in and being able to pick everything out, and Shelley has been wonderful.
Mike and I started this process looking at all kinds of builders and looking to see who would be the best one for us. And we settled in on Shaw because the model home tour was really great. We were able to visit so many different homes and see what they had available. It was really nice to see the actual floor plan and not have just to look at a drawing. And it gave us an idea of how things would look and where we could put things and how to design things and what was the best floor plan for us. And so I would say that was probably one of the bigger things, to actually see a floor plan in real life.
Yeah, and to be able to walk through, to touch, to see, and to experience the house without looking on a monitor or a picture of some kind. So yeah, definitely the model tour homes, or model homes tour, is fantastic. All right, so if you're looking at building in the Tulsa, BA area, we would highly recommend certainly giving Shaw a look, and obviously we chose Shaw, and so we would highly recommend them. So many options, so many choices, and the entire team does so much to work for us and with us, and so we would definitely recommend you to look at Shaw Homes to build your new home.
You also, there is nothing that can't be fixed, solved, found, or made. You have so much flexibility in your floor plan and the design, so that if something's not exactly like you want, it can be fixed and made, and they can change it, and it can be exactly like you want. So when you sign on the dotted line, you have the house exactly like you would like.